What's going on, Tristan Vlogs? Yo guys, what's going on, Tristan Vlogs? Coming at you for another video. That was kind of a failed intro, but oh well. I'm the only one here right now. My mom and dad and our friend Shane just went to get some stuff. Not gunshots, just so you guys know, because there's a gun range right there. Right now I'm just cleaning this cat's things out right here between the tracks because need to get some, new parts in there. So yeah, right now I'm just here by myself because I said it would be fun because my mom needed to go get some money and my dad and our friend needed to go get an air compressor because we're fixing the big truck because it's in the shop right now, right there. We need to take the transmission out and everything, fix the rear end. I am helping a little bit, but right now I am just working on this. Like I said, they should be back right away, probably. My dad and Shane should be. But my mom will probably take like a little longer because she just left. So yeah, just gotta keep taking all this mud out. Gotta try getting it as good as we can. I took lots of mud out so far. Should be doing this to my quad because it's dirty. It's parked over there. Oh, this is lots of work actually. This mud is packed in there good. But yeah, so it's really nice out here. I like it. I always wanted a shop, and we finally got one. My GoPro battery's kind of dying too. Oh my camera batteries are dying. I just charged my GoPro too, but it seems to die fast. God damn it. I like doing outside work. I'll go show you guys what we're doing. Have a truck in there right away. Okay, I think I can right now. So yeah, there's a crow up there. It's really muddy up here, but we're using that so we can knock it down and stuff. So yeah, let's just go in here. So see, we got the tranny jack right there. So what we're doing, so there's a jack. Took the rear axle out, the first one. Then there's more stuff over here. See that stuff? Got the, it's all taken apart down here and stuff. So like, see, it's all in there, draining the oil and everything. So yeah, that's why we got this. And we also got snacks here too. Been eating beef jerky, and I've been drinking Pepsi. And we got some like pepperoni sticks things here. Tomorrow I go back to school. Really not looking forward to that, but oh well, I guess. So let's cruise on over here. I don't know why I said, wait, let's go. I want to go show you guys my walking fast. Where is it? Oh yeah, I parked it all the way over there. You can kind of see the tires, but it's really muddy. I was like, did somebody steal it? But the keys weren't even in there. Oh, I thought this was glass for a second, but it's just ice. But yeah, so just making progress. Took all that mud out. It looks like that now. And this is what it used to look like over here. It used to be all packed in like that. And yeah, these don't even move, which is good. I'm pretty sure they aren't supposed to move. Got a big old bucket right here. Cars are driving by. Look at all that stuff in there. See? Cars. But yeah, so I'm just gonna keep doing this, and I'll probably catch you guys back before they get back. So yes, see you guys then. Okay guys, so I am back. I just finished cleaning out this whole side. It may look the same, but it is not. I just didn't get this big chunk. Damn, I could have just went like this to get in there. I've been trying to use the shovel, but for right there, but it doesn't really work. So yeah, let's just go like that. Probably will have me riding my quad right away too. Just I don't got my helmet right now. So yeah, done this side now. But yeah, we need to change something on here. I forget what it was, but okay, that looks good, I think. Just don't know if this is all mud too. There. I'm pretty sure that is all mud, but can't really get back there. So yeah, I think I'm gonna try cleaning that out a little bit, just so it is nice. Gotta clean out up here too, I forgot. There. Don't be afraid to get muddy. At least I'm not. It's not really that bad getting muddy. This is easier than using the shovel. I can't hold you guys with this now. My right hand. So yeah, think I am gonna see you guys when I'm probably on my quad, because this already has been a little while video. But yeah, so see you guys when I'm on the quad. Bye. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I'm sorry I didn't get video of me on the quad, but I went quadding and then my battery fell out the bottom of the quad somehow. I don't know how, but yeah, so I guess this is the end. Hopefully you guys had fun watching. Please like, favorite, comment, and subscribe, and peace out. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.